Number 1. The 1972 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $7,000. The car is still running and drivable with an odometer reading of 27,000 miles. It was repainted around 2005, and a new roof was installed in the same year, giving it a fresher look. The original 400 V8 engine from Pontiac Motor Division was professionally rebuilt in 2021, ensuring optimal performance. The car also features a 4-barrel carburetor and a 3-speed automatic transmission. New tires were installed in 2021, ensuring driving comfort and safety. All electric windows and the roof function properly, adding to user comfort. A new audio system, including a retro audio radio, Pioneer speakers, and an amplifier, was installed in 2022, offering a better audio experience. Removable LED lights were added in 2023 with the option to revert to halogen lights if desired. The body condition is still good despite minor rust, which is common for cars of this age. Number 2. The 1961 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $4,200. This two-door car is a rare post-car model. It has been powered by a custom-built 348 engine with tri-power and a 409 crank, producing over 500 horsepower. Its standard transmission is a 4-speed manual with a heavy-duty clutch. The braking system uses 12-inch brakes on all wheels, while 14-inch wheels with deep dish and small hubcaps give it a solid appearance. The interior is newly done in factory blue and is very clean, both inside and out. The paint condition is good with only a few minor scratches. The most impressive aspect of this car is its very solid rust-free condition, which is highly desirable for Impala enthusiasts, as rust-free cars tend to have higher value and are easier to maintain in the long run. Number 3. The 1972 Ford Mustang, priced at $9,000. This Mustang is an outstanding attention-getter and runs very well thanks to its solid 302 V8 engine. It has been insured and properly registered. The car has also undergone many repairs and upgrades with many new parts that cannot be listed individually, such as new tires, dashboard, fuel pump, brake shoes, brake pads, brake lines, carburetor, as well as an original-style Bluetooth deck and speakers. The owner does not accept trade-ins. This is your chance to own a piece of legendary American muscle car history, known for its roaring engine sound, making it a favorite choice. Number 4. The 1966 Plymouth Barracuda, priced at $9,500. Known for its distinctive fastback style and iconic appearance, it still retains its original components with the renowned 273 Super Commando engine, known for reliable performance in its time. The exterior is well maintained with striking purple paint, while the interior has been upgraded with new front seats and a newly replaced steering box. The cabin condition is clean with classic wood steering and well-maintained dashboard instruments. Additionally, power steering is also available, making it a great choice for those seeking an appealing car to drive. Number 5. The 1966 Pontiac Parisienne Sport Custom, priced at $9,500. This is a car that remains original with a single owner since new and has been kept indoors, so its condition is well preserved. Powered by a 327 Ci engine with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission, it features a black Landau roof, bucket seats, and a center console shifter, giving it an elegant and sporty impression. With a mileage of 52,000 miles, the car is still considered low for its age. Although there is slight rust on all 4 inner wheels, the trunk and floor remain rust-free, indicating that the car has been well maintained. This car is enjoyable to drive, and its charm can only be fully appreciated by seeing it in person. Number 6. The 1979 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $870. This is the cheapest car in this video and has been neglected for 15 years before the owner revived the engine. Recently, the owner has repaired the car with some new parts so it can run, though it is not fully roadworthy yet. The car is quite rare and interesting to see running again after nearly 2 decades. Repairs done include cleaning the fuel tank, replacing the fuel pump, water pump, and radiator hoses, as well as restoring the cooling system. The car needs additional repairs such as spark plug replacement, carburetor cleaning, oil change, wiper blades, tires, differential fluid, brakes, and some suspension work as the car feels unstable while driving. The transmission currently does not have reverse gear and seems to malfunction in park or neutral, but I will include a C4 transmission as part of the sale. Number 7. The 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, priced at $8,000. A great cruiser, equipped with an automatic V8 engine and power steering that makes driving more comfortable. Tinted glass provides additional sun protection, while some custom work has been done to give it a unique look, including the addition of side pipes that enhance the aesthetics and engine sound. The vehicle is still active and registered, showing that it is well maintained and frequently used. The car is known for its comfort and solid performance, making it suitable for enthusiasts to own. Number 8. The 1973 Chevy Monte Carlo, priced at $2,900. It has the original 350 engine with low mileage, dual exhaust, and stainless steel muffler and gas tank. The car is complete for restoration, with new wheels plus original wheels. There is only one hole above the windshield, while the chrome and trim are in good condition. As the second owner, the car last had plates in 2021 and has been stored in a garage. The interior needs attention, especially for reupholstering. With proper handling, this Chevy can return to its former glory and be a valuable investment for classic car enthusiasts. Number 9. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega, priced at $6,800. It is still drivable on weekends and comes with complete documentation and insurance. The car has been modified with a 350 engine and 350 automatic transmission, and the engine has just been resealed to ensure optimal performance. Most of the car still retains its originality, except for the engine, which has been replaced with a V8. Some upgrades include better gauges, an improved exhaust system, and other minor updates. However, the car needs some work on the wheel wells and floor. It remains drivable and responsive, making it suitable for anyone interested in owning it. The seller is open to reasonable offers and includes additional parts for the car. As a lightweight car with good performance potential after modifications, it often faces rust issues, particularly in areas like the wheel wells and floor. This may need attention from prospective buyers looking to make it a restoration project. Number 10. The 1977 Oldsmobile Toronado Brougham, priced at $8,700. An interesting classic with a 403cc, 6.6-liter V8 engine and very low original mileage of only 19,000 miles. This two-door hardtop model features an attractive white leather interior. The engine is well maintained and runs smoothly, providing a comfortable driving experience. According to a custom assessment done in 2006, the car is in excellent condition despite minor damage to the rear fins as seen. Additionally, the car recently received a new battery and 4 new tires in 2021. However, there are a few minor issues such as a missing hubcap and one missing wiper blade. Number 11. The 1970 Chevelle Malibu, priced at $8,000. The car has an automatic transmission and has traveled about 600 miles after the 327 engine was refreshed. The overall condition is very good, with a well-maintained frame and paint due to its indoor storage for nearly its entire life. Rust or corrosion is found only at a minimal level, keeping the body structure solid. The drivetrain functions very well and is equipped with dual exhaust and a new master cylinder. The tires are also in very good condition, ready for long trips. Number 12. The 1973 Chevy Impala Hardtop, priced at $3,600. It has a mileage of 94,000 miles and still holds an active title. It is equipped with a newly serviced 350 small block Chevy SBC engine and dual exhaust for better performance and distinctive sound. Additionally, it features new white wall tires, enhancing its classic appearance. Overall, the condition remains original, with no accidents or repainting, showing that the car has been well maintained and has the potential to be a valuable investment for collectors. No trades are accepted. Number 13. The 1975 Buick LeSabre Custom, priced at $2,500. Powered by a 5.7L 350 Buick V8 engine with a 4 BBL carburetor and TH375 Buick transmission. The car has undergone significant repairs, including replacing 2 front brake calipers, 4 brake pads, 2 front brake hoses, and new brake lines. Also, 3 new brake drums, 4 brake shoes, a new master cylinder, and booster. The suspension system has been updated with 2 new coil springs and Monroe shock absorbers, as well as a new exhaust system and ignition. Other maintenance includes new engine and transmission oil, alternator, and power steering pump. The car comes with 4 original spare rims, and all lights and fuses have been replaced. Although the top mechanism works and the engine runs smoothly, some minor repairs are still needed, especially on the transmission, which only allows the car to move in reverse, suggesting transmission replacement. The interior features nearly perfect white leather seats and a well-maintained dashboard, though it needs new carpet and further floor repairs. Some body repairs are required on the lower parts and rear wing contours, as well as door and rear window rubber due to winter damage. The car is equipped with comfort features such as electric windows, tilt steering, AM/FM cassette radio, electric trunk, and 4 Buick rally wheels. Number 14. The 1961 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $9,000. This classic car has a striking red interior accompanied by custom paint and unique pinstripes, ready to be showcased at car shows. The interior condition is very well maintained and mint, while the original engine still functions well. The car has also been well preserved during the winter and comes with an appraisal document showing its value and excellent condition. With mileage recorded in miles, not kilometers, this car offers performance and originality that are hard to find in other vehicles from the same era. Number 15. The 1965 Mercury Park Lane Breezeway, priced at $3,600. It is currently registered and insured and is in good condition with a powerful 390 engine. The car has just had an oil change, new spark plugs and cables. New tires and stock exhausts have been replaced, ensuring optimal performance. Although there are a few small bubbles in the paint around the rear wheel area and the seats need new covers, the car is overall in good condition. The offered price is very reasonable or negotiable, and the owner is also open to trades. I forgot to make a video yesterday because of my older sister's wedding, so now I can finally make videos again as usual.